back, and it's not back together, but basically got it flipped upside down. So what I done was mated the three pieces together. The bottom made out of this pressed particle board, the key bed itself, and it's on this metal frame, and then the actual synthesizer piece itself. Kind of sandwiched them all together and then flipped this whole, while it was right side up, flipped the whole thing over very gently. And then I'm actually just using these little Mott's applesauce things to pick up the gap between the key bed and synthesizer body where it's resting. And then put the thing back together. When I took it apart, which I did not get on video, I made this screw map like I always do when I take stuff apart. So now it's just a matter of mating all the stuff back together. And it appears, because I took it apart upside down, it's going to be easier to go back together upside down, but we'll see.